Welcome back, viewers. Vegan Cookies Good, reviewing all things tools and sweets. Let's jump right into it. Today, we'll be reviewing the heavy-duty long-nose pliers 7-inch by Doyle, featuring an ultra-slim nose, not a hose, high leverage design, precision engineering for professionals. Let's open this bag up. They don't make them easy to get out. And your money shot. Nice dip design. Looks to be hot riveted. And the edge itself. Keeps pretty straight. Let's give it a quick test. How about cutting a small zip tie? No problem. How about a pallet strap? No. Does not cut a pallet strap. The jaws are long enough, but we're not getting a cut. No go on the pallet strap. How about some 18 gauge stranded? Sure. Maybe something a little heavier duty, 12 stranded. No problem whatsoever. Can it make a bend? Sure it could. Final look at the jaw itself. And now for some cookies. That's right, Oreo Thins, tiramisu, two cookies a serving. Let's give it an open. The smell is lofting with sugary goodness. And now for the tool test. Can these 7-inch needle nose Doyle pliers succeed in the grabbing test? Let's find a cookie to choose from here. No problem. And the inside shot of the cookie itself. Let's see if it has the snap and break. And the cookie test itself. Let's give it a taste. Very sweet. And since everyone here has been talking about measurements, here's a pic of the original Oreo versus the tiramisu Oreo Thins, coming at around just over a 1/4 inch thick, or for all you patriots out there, about 4/4. Doyle's heavy-duty long-nose pliers, 7-inch, can be found online or at select big box stores. Thank you for viewing all. If you like the content you're seeing, please give us a like, please subscribe to the channel, and remember folks, vegan cookies are good. All in all folks, I'm giving the Doyle needle nose pliers 5 fire trucks out of 7 because of its overall build quality, but its inability to cut thin straps. For the cookies themselves, they were a little too sweet and overall tasted too much of vanilla, so I'm giving the Oreo's Thins tiramisu 3 cookies out of 5. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks again, folks.